G'day everyone and welcome back to my Shambhala. Well, Cyclone Alfred has come and gone. It affected some areas greatly and others, well, not as much. We were lucky to be part of the latter. Due to its crazy track, though, Alfred looked positively menopausal. No one knew when and where this Alfred would cross. People literally ran out of their cyclone snacks and the shops found themselves raided again. But Alfred did finally cross and brought untold havoc to so many people in its path. For us here at Shambhala, well, we had the occasional wind gusts, but mostly steady rain. We got off lightly and the area flooded around us, but we found ourselves just flooded in for a few days. We're grateful none of that reached our little cottage. Our neighbouring towns were not so lucky though. Many of them, suffered wind and rain damage, much harder than what we got. Over 350,000 people lost their power, and many had to be evacuated. At one point, we were told to prepare to leave as floodwaters were rising, but at that point, we were already flooded in, so it didn't really help. Thankfully, Cyclone Alfred has now gone, and we can all move on and start the cleanup. There was one loss of life, and honestly, our thoughts go out to that family. I couldn't imagine anything worse. And to all those affected by Cyclone Alfred, our thoughts are with you. I'll leave you with footage of the cyclone and images from around our area. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. It really does help the channel. Until next time, stay joyful, stay dry, and I will see you on the next video.